This brand is made by Electrolux and is available online in North America as well as at many retail outlets, but their guarantee is only average when compared to the other brands. The Gallery series offers their most advanced air conditioners with inverter compressors and auto-swing louvers for better air circulation throughout the room. They use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and have a 15 ER efficiency rating and are for cooling only. The units are Wi-Fi enabled and can be controlled with Alexa or Google Assistant voice commands. They have eco and sleep modes for energy savings but only have a standard washable filter which does not do much to improve the home's air quality. The FFTH models are through-the-wall air conditioners with electric heat. They have a 9.6 ER efficiency but use R410A refrigerant which is less friendly to the environment. The FHTC wall models have a built-in ionizer for improved air quality and the FHTW units add Wi-Fi and voice control. The FFTA cool-only units have an 8,000 BTU capacity and use 115-volt power for flexibility in installation. They have a 10.6 ER efficiency and auto-swing louvers for good air circulation but only the standard washable air filters.